everybody, welcome back. So today I have a Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale haul for you. Yes, so if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, just keep on watching. It's gonna start with this bag right here, and it is a pretty nice size bag. I did 2 transactions, and so let me just show you what I picked up. So everything that I got, I'm just going to back up and say everything that I picked up from this sale is from the 75% off tables. I didn't shop any other items yet. I do want to get some of those new candles because summertime soda pop summertime soda pop smells so good, and also that root beer one, it smells so good, and I really need to have, you know, at least 1 or 2 of those in my life right now. I got the rose water. This is the face and body refresher. About these, I have a couple of different kinds of face and body refreshers, but I mean, I don't have any that have rose water, at least I don't think so anyway. So this says it's alcohol free, and so if you haven't seen these, guys, it just looks like this. And let me just try a little bit. It smells really good. I like it. And then I picked up this almond and vanilla body oil, and it looks like this. And I like this. I did pick up some of the body scrub like this during the last semi-annual sale, but I didn't get any of the body oil, so I'm happy that I found that. Now, I did pick up the dry shampoo, guys, and before you guys start tripping, I don't know, you know, if this will work for me. You guys, if you're African American and you guys have tried any of the dry shampoos, let me know. What do you guys think about these? And then the next thing I got was just this sunscreen here, and it just looks like this. And again, this one was $4, I think, and originally, oh God, I think it was like $16 or something. She had to go back and check for me. I did get the Chill Out body mask, and it just looks like this. And haven't opened it yet, but it doesn't really have a really sweet scent or even a pleasant scent. It just has a tolerable scent, if that makes any sense at all. I don't know. Nothing really special. It's just okay. Post sun comfort. So I guess it's when you've been out in the sun and you need to kind of just rehydrate your skin or something. So yeah, we got that. Oh, and then guys, I did get a few of these 75% off candles. I'm going to show you this one. Look, I have been eyeing these for so long and never picked them up. Look at these. Yay. And mine has a little bit of black on it, but I'm hoping that will come off or something. I think it will. It's kind of rubbing off now. Oh yeah, it's coming off. So yeah, that'll come right off, you guys can see. But anyways, so yeah, this one is a Palmo Santo, and I have no idea what that is, but this smells really good. So you know how these dust cloths get a little bit dusty, so I'm trying not to. Oh yeah, to me it smells a lot like Marshmallow Fireside or something like that, so I really like this one. It's a little bit stronger than Marshmallow Fireside on the musky note, but I really like this one. I mostly bought this one though for decoration. I think this is really pretty and it will last, you know, a long time. I am going to burn this candle though, so. Okay, so bag number 2. Here we are, and I was able to find my hand soaps. You guys know that is my goal every semi-annual sale, is to kind of like get myself set with my hand soap. So they didn't have the foaming one 75% off, but you know I will keep looking for some. Anyway, so I found the Spring Gardens, and it just looks like this, and these are really cute packaging on these. I feel like they're bigger than the other ones, but yeah, I got that one, and some of these are going to be repeats, but yeah, I got 2 Spring Gardens. I got the linen and lavender. Ooh, that's gonna be really nice in my bedroom, I think. So yeah, I got 2 linen and lavender. And what's this? Another linen and lavender. And then this is the Perfectly Pear, and it just looks like this. And I got something for my husband's Father's Day, and he's awake, so you guys know I love this scent. But I love this scent and I have to have it. I kind of give him a couple every time semi-annual sale rolls around. Like 3. And Another one of those candles. And again, looks like this. Love these. So pretty. If you guys find them, snatch them up. And for 75% off, you can't beat that. So, yeah. Beautiful
I picked up another spring garden.
Another perfectly pear. One other perfectly pear. And another linen and lavender. Okay, guys. So this is my last bag. So let me just show you. I got 2 of the smaller ones, and this is in white opal. I don't think I got the same scent in the second smaller one, but this is white opal. And again, this is a nice fresh scent. It kind of reminds me of like ocean, some kind of ocean scent. You know how like the beachy scent smell? This one is beachy to me. And it's made with essential oils. This smells really good to me though. I like that one. So then, oh, I got some wallflowers. Now the wallflowers were only $3. So this is my only buy that I didn't get for 75% off. But guys, I will be looking for some more wallflowers at 75% off because I only picked up 2 this time. I got the Mermaid Lagoon. And I also picked up the Island Papaya. And again, it just looks like that. And let's see what this one looks like. Oh, I got 2 of the white opal. So yeah, I got 2 of the same ones. And the last thing that I picked up in this bag, and guys, I felt so guilty buying this because the cashier at my store really wanted it. Pineapple, and she said that this was for candles, but I was thinking of putting like one of the hand soaps in there and just having it on my kitchen sink. So let me show you what it will look like. Hopefully it'll fit. And so yeah, I think that looks kind of cute. What do you guys think? I don't know about a candle because it'll probably illuminate kind of weird, but I think this will look so cute on the kitchen counter or even like in your bedroom or something, wherever, because this is so universal. You could do anything with this. But I just thought it was cute because it's kind of like the marble type style, the faux marble. Alright guys, that's all that I picked up. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this little haul. If you have, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click that notification button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!